Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to talk to you about something magical that's happening outside right now. It's called spring. And if you remember, we were studying in our classroom. We have 4 seasons. We have summer, fall, winter, and now we are in spring. So, boys and girls, I want to share with you an informational book about spring. Now, because it's an informational book, you will remember that our pictures are going to look, they're photographs, yeah. And we will have a table of content that tells us different things that we could go study about. So looking at my table of content, it says signs of spring, plants in spring, garden, spring food, people in spring, and animals in spring. Boys and girls, let's take a look today at the signs in spring. So what page number would I go to? Yep, you're right, number 4. All right, this one says, signs in spring. As winter turns to spring, what changes can you see and feel? Think about it. Has things changed outside? Do you know what? I don't wear a coat outside anymore. What about you? That must be because it's spring. Spring days are warmer. In places with cold winters, the snow has melted. That's true, huh? And the frozen ground has thawed. Each day is a little longer than the one before. Plants begin to grow. Spring bulbs such as tulips and daffodils and flowers. Sheep and cows and many other animals have babies in the spring. Now, boys and girls, I have looked outside and my spring flowers are up. I have yellow ones and red ones and orange ones and purple ones. Oh, and the trees at my house have flowers in them. Have you noticed that? Trees with flowers? So that is part of spring. All those things happen. It is a magical time to start watching now for the birds, because the birds are all getting ready to lay their eggs. Yes. So the moms and dads are flying around. They're collecting material to build a nest and lay eggs. So what a wonderful time to be out watching for spring. Boys and girls, right now, I think I would like to read one more page from our book. And so going back to our table of content, plants in spring. We were just talking about those plants we can see. So, plants in spring. Warmer weather helps many plants grow in spring. Green shoots break through the dirt. Spring bulbs sprout and grow flowers. The buds on trees open and the first leaves appear. Fruit trees such as apples and cherry trees are covered in flowers. Just like this. Isn't that awesome? So we're going to be talking about the long E today and the way that you can make the long E sound. But I would like you to look at some of the pictures we have, because I've tried to put some pictures of spring in our lesson today. Good luck. And every once in a while, I'm going to pop in with another message for you. All right?